Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screen resolution problem. First method is, click Start, Settings. Click Display. Change display resolution. It is OK, click Changes or Revert. It is OK, click Changes or Revert. Change scale, check your display. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.